Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to look at how to integrate a function. So we have an example here. The question says integrate 3x squared minus 5x plus 9 over x cubed with respect to x. So the first thing you're supposed to do here is to rewrite this function now with an integral symbol. So we're going to rewrite this. We're going to say integrate 3x squared minus 5x plus 9 over x cubed, and everything is being integrated with respect to x. So the dx indicates that you are integrating with respect to x. Now, before we integrate, we need to change this fraction, this term that has a fraction, into a non-fraction term. So we're going to have 3x squared minus 5x. Okay, so the power for x here is 1, is same as 1, plus this is same as 9 times 1 over x cubed. Then we are integrating with respect to x like that. So now in indices, when you look at this, in indices, 1 over a is same as a to the power negative 1, meaning this is same as x to the power negative 3. So we are going to have 3x squared minus 5x to the power 1 plus this becomes x to the power negative 3. Then x to the power negative 3 times 9 will be 9x to the power negative 3, and everything being integrated with respect to x. So now we can go ahead and integrate. In integration, for example, if you have a function like this, you're being asked to integrate a function ax to the power n with respect to x. For you to integrate this, you are going to say ax to the power n plus 1. You add a 1 to the power and then divide by a new power. Everything divided by a new power, which is n plus 1. Then plus c. C is a constant, plus the constant c. So this same concept is the one that we're going to apply here. So we're going to have 3x. Now we have 2 plus 1. And then everything divided by the new power 2 plus 1. Okay. The minus 5x. Here we have x plus x, 5x to the power 1. So we'll have to add a plus 1, and then everything divided by the new power, which is 1 plus 1. Then plus 9x to the power negative 3 plus 1. Then everything being divided by the new power, which is negative 3 plus 1, then plus the constant c. All we need now is to simplify. So we're going to have 3x to the power 2 plus 1 is 3, then over 3 minus 5x to the power 2, 1 plus 1, then over the new power, which is 2, then plus 9x to the power negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2, then over the new power, which is negative 2, then plus the constant c. Then we can simplify this further. We can, this and that can divide. So we have 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we will remain with x cubed minus 5x squared over 2. Then here we have a positive number being divided by a negative number. So the answer will carry a negative sign. So we have negative 9x to the power negative 2 over 2 and plus c. Okay, so at this stage, you can leave your answer like this, but it's not advisable to leave your answer with negative powers like this. So what you do, you have to convert this negative power into a positive power, so that we rewrite it back in this form. Meaning we are going to have x cubed minus 5x squared over 2 minus 9 over 2x to the power 2. So this has changed to negative 9 over 2x squared. So we have changed the power to be positive plus c. So this is now the answer that they required. So if you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment and like my videos. Goodbye, see you in the next video.